guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a brief update on the Kinky Straight hair that I ordered from ISEE Hair. All of the links to the original video will be popping up in the cards wherever it pops up and down below in the description box just in case you want to see the unboxing. My eye is so disrespectful right now. Ugh. All right, and everything I'm talking about will be popping up here. So I'll give you the price, the amounts of hair that I bought, the links, and all that jazz. All right, so pardon me. So let's get started. All right, so this is the wig that I made using the ISEE Hair bundles. The closure is a 6x6 closure from Slayed by Erica J. I will leave her link down below in the description box. I order all of my Kinky Straight closures from her. She also sells different textures, but all of them are transparent lace, and the lace is very high quality. It's very thin, so it's gonna blend well with any skin tone. However, if you are more on the deep dark side, you are gonna have to tint this because it's probably gonna leave a sort of white cast around your hairline. But if you're in the medium range, this will fit perfectly. Now, I'm not actually going to be wearing this wig because, as you can see, I'm rocking the natural this summer. It's been super hot up here in Michigan, so if I do get my hair done, because the salons are still closed, but if I do get my hair done, I'll probably just be getting braids. So all of the wigs that I'm making will be available on my Poshmark, which is always listed down below in the description box. All right, so as far as the actual bundles go, this is what they look like. They have been washed and conditioned. As you can see, it has a lot of movement. I have not cut this hair or anything. Sorry if you can hear my cat. She wants me to pay attention to her. Ooh. All right, sorry about that. As I was saying, lots of movement for this hair. I have not cut it, but I am gonna cut it because obviously it's got a lot of stringy ends. This is all 12 inches, so that's why it has that layered look, but the closure is 16 inches, I do believe, 16 or 14 inches. So how I'm going to cut this is a asymmetrical bob, so it's going to be longer in the front and shorter in the back, and then I'm probably going to add some curls. But this hair is super, super soft. Of course, that it came soft, but also the conditioner I use is keratin based, so it helps maintain the softness of coarser textured hair. But I wouldn't even say this is super coarse. If you guys remember, I have ordered Kinky Straight hair in the past from several different companies. All those videos will be down below in the description box. I look so washed out next to this hair. Anyway, all those videos will be down below in the description box, but this is some really nice hair. Now, I have not bleached it. I did bleach the closure, but of course that's from Slayed by Erica J. So I haven't bleached this hair. I haven't even done a test strip because I have no intention of bleaching this hair, so I can't really tell you if it takes color very well. But since it is a natural brownish black, you probably could put like a tint on it if you wanted it to be a little bit more reddish or purplish. You could probably put a tint on it. It doesn't have that artificial black dye on it that a lot of companies use on their 1B hair. This is more of a natural brown black. But like I said, as you can see, a lot of movement, super, super soft. I wish I could wear this wig because it's gorgeous and it's super light. The hair is not heavy, it's very airy, but it still has a lot of volume. So you can do a lot with this texture. You can curl it, you can make it bone straight, or you can keep it in its natural state and it will still look nice. So as far as ISEE Hair goes, if you're just looking for 1B colored Kinky Straight hair, I would definitely go with them. I mentioned in my unboxing video that I feel like this hair would be great for longer lengths because it doesn't tangle. Even when I was washing it, there was no tangles, there was no shedding, so that is always a plus when it comes to purchasing affordable hair. Sometimes you will get some tangling and shedding, but with this hair I didn't get any. So when I do start wearing wigs again, I'll probably order some longer lengths. Oh, I got a piece of string in here. Not from the hair, it's just a piece of my sewing string. Yeah, I probably will be ordering longer lengths and rocking this during the fall. But for right now, like I said, this will be available on my Poshmark after I cut it. All right, guys, that's it for this update video, and I hope you liked it. If you guys are noticing my eye is like twitching or it's red or swollen, I'm having a reaction in my eye on this side, so try not to pay attention to that because I can feel it twitching. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. Share this video because sharing is caring. And since you're here, you might as well watch some more videos. I'll pop some hair videos up right there. There they are. Boop, 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 boop. Support your girl, okay? And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!